Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a short piece of code. I'm going to write it as a function and we're going to loop through directories, and it's going to throw an error if the path doesn't exist or the path is malformed. So let's start off. Let's create our function. It's called loop folders. Okay, so we're going to create path here, and we're going to get some input from the user. I'm going to tell the user to enter the full path. So you're going to enter the full path that you want to loop through. So for example, I'm going to loop through the desktop path, so it's going to be c:// for my machine, mark // no, it's not. Don't worry about it, I'll write it down in a minute, so you'll see. Okay, so we're going to carry on with the code. So if os.path.exists, if the path that we type in exists, or it's not malformed, we're going to do something. So we're going to do os.chdr, change directory to the path that we've entered. And now we're going to do the little loop. So that's going to be for file in os.walk path print file, or else print. So it's going to print out all the contents. It's going to loop through the path and print out all the contents unless there's an error. So we can throw an error message here saying path doesn't exist or is malformed. Okay, now all we're going to do is call this loop folder. We're going to save it and we're going to run it. So I'm going to enter unexpected. Where's that? Oh, right, okay. Okie dokie. Forgot to put the colons in there, so that's going to come down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is aligned with that. Okay, that looks okay to go. Let's try it again. Yeah. Loop folder. Okay, we can see the problem here. It should be loop folders. Okay. Watch out for those little typos. They can really throw your programs. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to enter a full path. Like I was saying before, this is going to be uppercase C / users mark and desktop here. So this is the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop unless it's like a 1 in a billion chance, but no, it's not the path to your desktop, so you're going to have to find out what the path to your desktop is. So I'm going to hit enter here. So it's just going to loop through all the stuff that's on there, which is quite a lot of stuff, and inside other files and stuff like that. So you get the gist, so we'll just stop that. Okay. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to type in a path with an error in it or something like that. So I'm going to type in c user /mar /desktop. Okay, so we'll hit enter, and we've got the error message. It says path doesn't exist or is malformed. Okay, let's just again just type in a load of old rubbish into here like that. Hit that. There we go. So we've got the error message. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification to make sure that you never miss another video. And I will see you in another one. Bye-bye.